Hi, it's Megan. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my once a month grocery haul for August. Hello, Isla. My once a month grocery haul for August, and I went to Smith's and Costco and Sam's Club and Walmart, so I'll be sharing stuff from all four of those stores. And I like to do grocery shopping this way because it helps keep me out of especially Costco and Walmart, where it's very easy to spend a lot more than I intend to. So it helps me stay out of those two stores, which are kind of like my biggest traps, I guess, when sticking to my budget. And also it's just nice to have everything that we need on hand, kind of at the beginning of the month that we might need for meals and things like that. I am continuing my freezer and pantry challenge, where I'm going to be really trying to cook things from that I already have on hand from my freezer, and my pantry and my fridge. And so the things that you're going to be seeing here are mostly just to replenish or restock when things are on good deals, or if I notice that I'm getting low on something. I did buy some things to kind of be stocking up like that just to prepare. But those aren't necessarily things that I need to make a meal or need to make specific things. So yes, my budget for this month is $300. So we'll see how much of that I spent this month. I'll show you at the end of the video kind of what my total was. And then usually once a week after my once a month grocery haul, I go into just my local Smith's, which is my local Kroger store, and just get fresh produce. And then we might stop into Sam's Club to get more milk and bananas kind of as the month goes on if we need those things. Let's turn around and I'll show you what I got this month for my groceries. Okay, so here's what I got from Smith's for my monthly grocery haul. I did spend a little bit more than I usually spend at Smith's, but I was able to get quite a bit of meat. And I was also able to stock up on some frozen pizzas. And so that kind of bumped my total up just because those things are more expensive than the things that I usually buy at Smith's, but they were all really good deals. So let's see what we got. So to start out, I got 2 bags of grapes. I got a bag of red grapes and a bag of green grapes. These were 99 cents a pound. I got my daughter, my baby, 4 of these food pouches. This is always where I can find, these are always like the best deal, at least in my area. And these were on sale for 89 cents a piece. And then I had a coupon for 65 cents off of the purchase of 4 of them. And that coupon was expiring. So that's also why I bought some of the things that I did, is because I had coupons that were expiring. So I combined those with some sale prices to get things for good deals. So I got those. This week on the digital coupons, they had Ragu on sale. I really like the Ragu Simply, and I'm really happy that now the Ragu Simply is coming in the full, regular size jars. When they first were introducing it, the jars were slightly smaller by a few ounces, so it wasn't quite as good of a deal, but I really like the Simply, just that they have no sugar added, and the ingredient list just looks a little bit better. So these were on sale for $1.29 each. So I got a traditional, and then I got 2 of the roasted garlic, and then their Alfredo sauces were also on sale for $1.27, and I was completely out of jarred Alfredo, so I bought 2 of those. And then the Go-Gurts were on sale for $1.49, so I got the Simply ones for Lucy. She likes those. This Laughing Cow cheese was on sale for $2. Usually I buy it in the multi-packs from Costco or Sam's, and each circle of it ends up being, when they're on sale, ends up being less than $2. But for just buying one, and I haven't been eating them as much lately, but $2 for one wheel is usually a pretty good deal. So I bought that for me for some snacks. And then this bacon was on sale for a pound of bacon, which lots of times bacon, when it goes on sale, is just in the 12-ounce packages. But these were for full pounds, and it was on sale for $3.99 on the coupon. And so I got a thick cut and then a hardwood smoked. And we don't usually eat bacon, and I only buy it when it's on sale, and we haven't had any in a while. So I got 2 packages of that to keep in my freezer. This was not on sale. It was $3.19, and then I had a $1 off coupon, so that ended up being $2.19. My target price for this is $1.99, and even with inflation, I have still been seeing that sale price occasionally. But since it was only 20 cents off from my target price, I still decided to buy it with my coupon before that expired. Just so that I can add 1 more of those to my freezer. I do have quite a bit from my stock up that I did in, was it April, I think? You can go back April or May. I'll try to link that video for you guys to watch below if you want to see my stock up haul, where I bought quite a few rolls of this on sale for $1.99. So, but it's always good to have more. And this was my best find of the day. So this is organic ground beef. and it was on sale for $2.49 a pound. And so I bought 4 of them. There were a few more, but I decided to leave them in case other people wanted the deal. And 4 is plenty for my family for now. We do still have quite a bit of ground beef, as you saw from my freezer cleanup video. We have quite a bit from a cow that I got from my uncle, who owns a cattle ranch, but this was just such a good deal that I could not pass that up, especially with meat prices going so crazy. We are using ground beef and ground turkey a lot more than we have in the past, just because we've been able to be getting them for good deals, or we've been getting it as gifts, and so we're utilizing that a lot more. So I was happy to find this really good price. And then I had some coupons for ice cream. So this is my husband's favorite, this triple brownie from Kroger, and we like to have this like for at-home date nights, and this is much cheaper than going out for ice cream or paying a babysitter. And just because things are so expensive right now, it's nice to do at-home date nights where we either play games or watch a show or something and have a nice little treat. So I had a coupon for this. It was an okay sale, and then with my coupon, it was a pretty good price. Not the lowest price, but again, we were out of it, and I figured it was a pretty good deal with my coupon. And then same with this. This is just a fancier kind. It was a little bit more expensive, but this is also one of our favorites, so I got that as well. And then the last thing I got from Smith's I got 5 Red Baron frozen pizzas. These we just like to have on the weekends. Usually I meal plan for like 2 or 3 nights a week. So usually I meal plan for like 3 nights a week, and then 2 to 3 nights a week. And we usually have plenty of leftovers to kind of get us through lunches and other dinners throughout the week. And then usually like Saturday nights or a Friday night, we'll just do like a frozen pizza or something that I already have in the freezer. And so when these are on sale, these are on sale for $3, like $2.99. And that's kind of my lowest price now for them. They used to be able to go on sale for $2 or $2.50 and I would stock up. But again, with inflation, things are more expensive. So I bought a bunch of those so that way I can have those in my freezer, and they're just quick, easy dinners for whenever we don't feel like cooking, or if we're coming back from a trip. I always make sure I have a frozen pizza in the freezer so we can have a quick, easy dinner like the night we get back and things like that. So that is all I got from that's all I got from Smith's, and I'll show you what I got from Costco as well. Here are the only things that I got from Costco for this round. The way the sales ended up working, I went and got these things because this was on sale, and these were 2 things that we needed, but in a few more days, their new sales cycle is going to be starting. And so I'll go back again in a short amount of time and get those things that are on that new sale flyer. I don't usually do that, but this time we just really needed these 2 things like right away. And this was also on a really good sale, kind of like in between their main flyers. And so I went in for just those 3 things, and then I'll go back in a couple days and when their new sale starts and get a few more things. So small Costco haul now. I got these cheese, fruit, and nut packs. I really like these for like mid-afternoon snacks. I don't usually buy them unless they're on sale. And these ended up working out to be about 50 cents a pack with them being on sale, which is pretty good for these types of things. Even when they're not on sale, they're still a pretty good deal. But 50 cents was super, super good. So I bought that for me and my husband for snacks. And then we were almost out of string cheese. We busted into some on the way home because we needed some snacks. And yeah, so Costco has a really good price on string cheese. And so I got a big pack from there. And then we also needed a big bag of ice. I go through about one of these every 4 to 6 weeks, depending on how hot it is and how much we're home. And we had completely run out. And I can make my own ice, but it takes a really long time, and I use a lot of ice in my drinks, in my water mostly. And so our freezer just doesn't freeze water very quickly. It seems to take a really long time. Anyway, so I just like having a big bag of ice that I just use throughout the month and for my drinks. And that's what I got from Costco. Okay, here's what I got from Walmart this month. Let's start with a couple of non-food items. So I got a couple boxes of crayons for my daughter just to kind of get through this school year. We do homeschool with her. She'll be 5 in October. So we just do super basic, easy homeschooling with her. And then I have a monthly layout planner that I like to use for planning her school and just planning a few other like educational kinds of things for her. And then underneath that, I also have just like a monthly calendar that I like to have up by my desk just so I can kind of see just so I can see the month like at a glance. So I got those things. And then I got this mesh pop-up hamper for a trip that we're going to be going on. So you will see this again in a couple weeks in a few more videos. Where I'm packing for that trip. And we were out of Q-tips, so we got some of those. And then this is like food related, I guess. This is some pectin. This is pectin to make jam with. I've never actually made jam before. There's a grocery store near me that usually has really good deals on strawberries a couple times a summer. So when those go on sale again, I'm going to get some and try to make jam from it. I also got a thing of whipped cream. Lucy likes using that on her pancakes and waffles, and it's so much easier than syrup, so we like to have that on hand. Walmart this week was the cheapest place that had milk, so I got a gallon of whole milk, a gallon of 1%. I also got a thing of marshmallows. We have a half a box of like Rice Krispie cereal, so I was going to make Rice Krispie treats with those. I got some margarine just to try to save some money. I'm going to start using margarine in some recipes that butter isn't like necessary for. You can't really taste it that much. So like in Rice Krispie treats, and there's a few other treats and things that I make, and some of them specifically call for margarine instead of butter. So I'm just going to try that out to see how that goes. I also got a bag of baby carrots because we were out, and then I got a bag of fries just to have as a quick side with lunches or dinners. I used the last of my Southern style hash browns in my pantry challenge, so I got another bag to replace those just because hashes are super easy, super quick, and super cheap meals that we like. I also got a double pack of cream cheese, again, just to kind of restock my fridge. And I got a thing of banana peppers. My husband likes these on his salads and on sandwiches, and he was out, so I got those for him. We got 4 onions. I didn't think I needed like a full 3-pound bag this time, so I just got a few of them for the month. And then I got some cream of mushroom soup because I was out of that. I used my last can when I was making a meal the other day, so I wanted to get a couple more cans of that. I pretty much only use this for my stroganoff recipe, and we'll have that a couple more times kind of as the fall and winter are coming up. And then to stock up on some of the cream of chickens that I used over the last couple weeks, I bought just 4 more of those. I haven't really seen those on sale very much, so I just buy a few every month from Walmart just because that's the cheapest place for them. And I want to be stocking up on them so that I have them through the winter, where I use them a lot more in a lot of the recipes that we make. Oh, and I forgot, I also got this 25-pound bag of all-purpose flour from Walmart. I'm not close to emptying one of my flour buckets yet, but I just wanted to make sure that I had an extra one on hand to refill a bucket when I do run out, especially because as fall is starting to come and the holidays, I do a ton of baking. I do a lot regularly, but especially in the fall and winter, I do a lot more. So I just want to make sure that I had an extra bag. There's Isla. Hi, Isla. I just want to make sure that I had an extra bag of it, just because I know in the past this sometimes is hard to find. So I wanted just to make sure that I had some extra on hand. Okay, so here's what I got from Sam's Club this month. I got another one of these salad kits for my husband. He usually can get one of these and make it last for a week for his lunches for work. And then I got 3 dozen eggs. Sam's Club just happens to be the cheapest place to get eggs right now. Still not fantastic prices, but I'm hoping that the eggs will come back down just because they've been so expensive, or that they will go on sale at Smith's soon. I also got, 2 pounds. Yes, 2 pounds of pepperoni, 2 1-pound bags. This is one of my husband's favorite snacks, and we have been out of it for, 6 or 8 weeks. So I got another package of that. And then again, I got more of these peanut butter pretzels for my husband for his snacks for work. I got these dino nuggets for Lucy and Isla for some of their lunches. And then I got the Tyson ones just because I prefer these ones to the dinos. So we have both of them, and both of those will last like many, many months. I won't have to buy those for quite a while. So that's where I got those for quick, easy lunches. And then I got another bunch of bananas for the girls and for Ben if he needs fruit for lunch. So that is what I got from Sam's Club this month. Okay, so that's what I got for my groceries this month in August. I think I got some pretty good deals, especially at Smith's. I don't usually spend that much at Smith's in one shopping trip, but there were just so many good deals on meat that I really wanted to make sure that I was taking advantage of those sales. So that's what I have for this month. I'll put my total kind of right here. I said at the beginning that my budget is about $300 for this month, and we'll see kind of how far that goes. We are going to be out of town for like a week during August, and we have a few other like family events that we're not going to be eating our meals at home for, and so that kind of also is going to contribute to how much I'm spending on groceries this month. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.